So guys, today I will show you how I am able to make $100 per day just walking from my home, as you can see over here. So there are tons of ways to make money online. So I will show you the ways that I have personally started as a just 4 years ago, and today I am able to make $100 a day just from sitting from my home. So guys, let's get right in. So on my making money online journey, I have started working as freelancer 4 years ago. So there are hundreds of websites that you can work for. So I will show you the couple of websites that are the best in the field. So the first one is Upwork, and there is Toptal, and there is Jobble, and there is freelancer.com, and there is fiverr.com, and so on, guys. So the website that I started with is this fiverr.com. So I will show you by clicking on this link. As you can see, you can come to this website fiverr.com, and you can register here by becoming a seller, and you can trade your service for money. They will pay you anywhere between $5 to $10 per service. You can design a logo, and you can translate, you can edit videos, and there are hundreds and thousands of service that you can work for. The second way you can make money online is from affiliate marketing. So what affiliate marketing actually is: if you promote someone's product, the one who clicks through your link and buys the product, you get a commission off of it. So what you can do is you can go to Amazon, and down below you can see become an affiliate, and when you click on this link, you will come over here and you can sign up over here, and as you promote products, you will get commission off of it. As you can see, you can sign up first, and you can recommend the product, and you can get up to 10% commission. If a product ranges for $1,000, you can get $100 easily of that product. So how you can actually promote those products is from going to websites like Quora.com. For example, I will show you over here. Let's search for best camera for vlogging, Quora, and as you click on this link, as you can see, people ask question like this: which are the best cell phones under $1,000, which are the best camera for vlogging and all. And what people actually literally do over here is they promote affiliate products on this website and all. As you can see, for example, what's the best camera for filming high quality YouTube videos, and this person literally has 158 answers over Quora, and you can see he has got 387.4k answer views. So you can imagine, if only thousands of people click through his link, then how much commission can he get from over here? You can literally sign into Quora and put your answers over here also, like this type. So the third way you can make money online is from creating an online business. So if you have some money to invest in, like $1,000, and so you can start businesses like Shopify. You can become a seller on Amazon and sell your own products. As you can see, you can start free trial on Shopify also. It's very simple. They have all the tutorials over here and how you can get started. As you can see, Shopify, you may know Kylie Cosmetics. They also sell to Shopify website only, and you may know she's the youngest billionaire, and the business model of her is from Shopify only, guys. And you can start selling on Amazon. As I showed you in first of my video, that how I'm able to make $100 per day. You can check out my YouTube playlist, and there is a free course, just over 99 videos. I'm just there. I've showed how you can start from scratch and promote your products and make those $100 a day, guys. So if you like the video, please leave a like, so I can make more video like this and help you guys on making money online journey, guys.